Magandang araw po sa lahat. Okay, ito po ang inyong lingkod, si Bill Vergara. Okay, so unang-una, bakit po ako sumali sa Live Good? Okay, number one, very unique po yung system niya. Okay, the only system na nag-exist sa industry ng MLM industry. Okay, kasi po, merong program na kahit hindi ka mag-invite, okay, pwede kang kikita up to $2,000 every month. Okay? Pero no time frame. Okay? No time frame po yan. Depende po yan sa production, okay, ng company. Okay? And another thing is yung produkto, napakalupit. Okay? Very high po yung quality niya, tapos napakamura. Okay? Unlike po sa existing na mga products sa market ngayon, na yung quality niya hindi masyadong high, but the price is very high. Okay, napakamahal po. Dito po, iba po si Live Good. Okay? Okay, nag-formulate yung company, si Live Good mismo yung nag-formulate ng sariling products niya. Tapos, sinisiguro po niya na yung produkto na pina-formulate ni Live Good na mas higher yung quality niya compare sa existing na mga competitors. Okay, and then the company will ship the products internationally. Okay, ready to ship internationally. Okay, yung coverage po natin ay 200 countries po. Okay, door-to-door delivery po. Okay, up to 10 to 12 days po. Okay, so darating yung produkto na in-order mo. And then another thing is yung kitaan natin dito, meron po tayong weekly commissions at saka monthly. Okay, dalawang commissions po natin dito. Weekly, every Friday morning, pasok na sa account mo. And then ready to withdraw. And then yung monthly din. Okay, by the way, sa withdrawal, ang kagandahan po dito ni Live Good, hindi mo na kailangan mag-request ng withdrawal or payout. Okay, kasi po sila mismo ang mag-deposit directly to your account. Okay? Directly to your account. No need to withdraw, no need to request for withdrawal. So, yan po. Napakaganda itong opportunity, and I hope you will consider this opportunity. Kasi po, once in a lifetime lang talaga yung opportunity na katulad nito. Marami po tayong matutulungan nito in the future kasi napakamura po yung entry level niya. Just imagine, $49.95 lang yung entry. Okay, kung sa peso yan, without, kung i-direct mo yung True Card or kung walang charges, kung hindi dadaan sa cryptocurrency, mga 2,800 lang po yung capital mo dito. So napakamura guys, just imagine. Saan ka makakita ng negosyo na napakamura yung capital pero yung kikitain mo dito big time po. Okay, so only in Live Good. Okay, so so much for that. Thank you very much and have a good day.